In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track orders with Track123 Upsell Shopify app. To get started, open the app and head to the Tracking Page section. Then go into Page Builder. This is where you can set up the look and feel of the page your customers will use to check the status of their orders. Take a moment here to customize the tracking page design so it matches your store and feels consistent with the rest of your branding. A clean and easy-to-read tracking page can help create a better customer experience, so it is worth reviewing the layout before moving on. Once you are happy with the design, click Save. This makes sure your changes are applied before you continue to the next part of the setup. After that, navigate to Settings and then General. In this area, you will find the tracking page URL. Copy that URL carefully, because you will use it in Shopify to make the tracking page accessible from your store menu. This link is what connects customers directly to the order tracking page you just customized. Next, return to the app and select the Upsell tab. This is part of the workflow inside Track123, so make sure you are back in the app before continuing. Even if you are not changing anything else here right away, this keeps you aligned with the app setup process shown in the instructions. Now switch over to your Shopify admin. From there, go to Online Store, then Navigation. This is where you manage the menus that appear on your storefront. Choose the menu where you want your tracking page link to appear. Then add the tracking page URL you copied earlier. Make sure the link is added in the right place so customers can easily find it, whether that is in the main menu or another navigation area that fits your store layout. When everything looks correct, click Save Changes. This final step publishes the menu update so the tracking page becomes available on your storefront. Once saved, your customers will be able to use that menu link to visit the tracking page and check their order status. This helps reduce confusion and gives shoppers a simple way to stay updated after they place an order. That covers everything you need to know.